Even though I have pain, I gotta fake that smile. It's my journey to my freedom, so I can't stop now. See my brother join the army when it finished school, cause we hardly had clothes in the fridge, no food. Love was never shown, and then mama wasn't home when I couldn't get a job, man, this shit ain't cool. Take a look inside the mirror, the reflection of my father. He was always like in prison where the shit got harder. So I got my first quarter, something that I had to order, cause nobody cared to feed me like, fuck, why bother? Nobody cared to ask when I lay down flat. And now I'm on the rise and wanna take that back. I'm the man that speaks truth when you put me in the booth. I'm the one that gives a lecture if you smoke that crack. That I got a plan. Gangs ain't the way, so I had to give it up. Guns ain't the way, so I had to give it up. But I earned my respect, now I get my respect. And I'm still posted up with a drink inside my cup, cause this rain hits harder anyway you try to shine. So many in the struggle, I just hope they doing fine. Just seen a white bird, I'm just hoping it's a sign, cause I'm never giving up, I'ma always give a try. Spare change in my pocket, I'ma give it to the poor, cause I hold a good position, what's about to come in store. People ask for money and the other ask for cars. All I want is fame, I don't wanna ask for more. I don't wanna ask for more.
I feel the rain coming down, yeah. I feel the world pulling me down. I feel the rain pulling down, yeah. I feel the world pulling me down,
Frankie Diesel, yo. Even though we might be going through rain, we might feel the wind, we might feel the pain. Just know that the sun will shine.